हाय, दिस वॉज मी बिफोर एंड दिस इज मी नाउ। यप, मुझे नहीं पता क्या हुआ। आई डोंट नो व्हेन माय सोशल एंजाइटी, माय सैडनेस, माय डिप्रेशन, माय हेल्थ इश्यूज स्टार्टेड टू कंट्रोल मी। हर दूसरे बंदे की तरह मैं भी ये बोलती थी कि न्यू ईयर आने तो मैंने ये कर लेना है, मैंने वो कर लेना है, पर मैंने कुछ नहीं किया। दिस ईयर my body and my mind gave me a tight slap, and then I realized if I keep waiting there might not be a later left to save. And if any one of you is following me on this part, that I started this 15 days challenge almost a month back just to fight my demons and to push myself just to get up from the bed. And trust me, I love the routine that I've set for myself. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, much better. And no matter how much I talk about loving myself, truth is my body hasn't been kind to me lately, and this has been going on for almost 3 years now. PCOD, thyroid, stage 2 fatty liver, sugar, vitamin D, hip issues, so bad that the doctor has asked me not to sit on any hard surface throughout my life. And how I can forget about lichen planage, which I'm pretty sure कि बहुत से लोगों ने तो इसके बारे में सुना भी नहीं होगा. It is something to do with my own body, my own blood cells attacking each other, and then I get this rashes on my lower body, and this time it reached here, and I was so afraid कि मेरे face पे ना आ जाए. And the funny part is it gets triggered with the stress. And I've tried to talk it out, do things जो मेरी family ने मुझे suggest की, but trust me, no amount of help can work for you until you decide to save yourself. So one day when I couldn't feel happy anymore, I hit pause and I got my job. And I promised myself that I'm going to take care of my body. And for the first time in my life, I chose myself. And here I am with the 92 days left before this year ends, and 79 days, minus the Sundays, of course. I just don't want to live. I want to do things which I've never done before. I want to learn swimming, try the bold makeup looks which I've never done, and they're saved somewhere in my Pinterest board, to dance and dress up even in this body, to put myself first without any guilt, to explore, to learn, to cook, and the most important thing, to try to challenge myself and come out of my comfort zone even if my anxiety is walking besides me. And exactly on the 80th day, जब नए साल का दिन आने वाला होगा, I no longer be taking any new resolutions. I already begin, and this is what I want to do. So this is a chapter 0. It's not a glow up, it's not a trend, it's a journey that has already begun. And maybe if you have been waiting too, then हो सकता है कि ये challenge आपको भी change कर दे. So follow along with my 79 days of journey. Bye.